Hello you wonderful people, welcome to ZONTES Parts Buying Club. Here we have the headlight mesh for the G1, ZONTES G1, G2 model. This mesh is for the 125 or the 150cc version, so whatever one you've got. In the video description I will leave the ZONTES order code number as well as a link to AliExpress where you can buy one if you decide you haven't got the ZONTES deal near you. And what you're watching at the moment is the actual video how to fit it, so you can fit it yourself. Please like, subscribe, like, comments, and put comments for your own things that you've bought in the description as well. But please like, subscribe and join our journey, it would be brilliant. And hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest content. I've got fresh content up every day. If you purchased anything that you bought for your ZONTES model and you want to let every other ZONTES owner know, just leave it in the comment section below. Give the web link if you can for where you bought the product as well, which would be handy for all the other guys. Enjoy the video, and if you decide to buy the mesh, now you'll know how to fit it. Just watch the video to the end. The guy shows you exactly in process what you're supposed to do. This is MICK. I'm going to sign off now and just let you watch the video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and join our journey. This is MICK signing out.
This is where